A certificate is not the same as a license. A certificate is something that you can get in order to expand your education, to learn techniques and quality way of applying eyelash extensions, but it is not a license. Eyelash extensions technicians do need to be licensed in most states or countries or areas. So make sure you do check with your state, country, I don't know, city, anywhere, before you start taking clients. A lot of times people take lash classes, certifications, they make sure it's right for them, it's what they love, then they go to esthetician school, or they take it while they're in esthetician school or cosmetology school in order for them to practice in school. I don't know if some schools are starting to, but a lot don't go into much detail. So that's also why it's good to do a certification course. We do offer certification courses, and we do have online classes as well if you're interested.